Hi my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. So first I'm going to start off by doing off my eyebrows with my Benefit Precisely my brow pencil and eyebrow, and this is how my eyebrows look. And now I'm going to be using my Benefit Stay Down Straight Primer. I'm going to prime my eyelid and going to be using my Huda Beauty Dessert Dusk palette today and using this gorgeous orange eyeshadow which is blazing, and going to apply it into my crease area like this. Now I'm going to be using a very dark brown eyeshadow which is round here and going to apply it onto the outer corner of my eye, and then whatever is left onto my brush I'm just dragging that inwards, and then using this beautiful shimmery copperish eyeshadow which is Blue Moon, and with stiff brush and applying it onto all over my eyelid and just blending it with that brown. And now using a brown gel eyeliner, I'm just going to do a very simple and a very cute delicate winged eyeliner, and then using my eyelash glue and this Cosmo eyeshadow, it's actually a glitter, and then just mixing that together and applying it on top of the brown eyeliner that I've applied, and then using this Desert Sand eyeshadow to kind of apply it onto my brow bone area, also bringing it down onto the inner corners, tight lining my lower waterline with brown, and also applying some brown eyeshadow onto the lower lash line, some mascara, falsies, and the look is done. I hope you all like it, girls. Bye!